Hello friends, Duncan here. Wanted to provide a short review of my scuba dives with Stewart Coves Diving in Nassau, Bahamas. Their dive shop is conveniently located with direct access out to the dive sites. We did a two-tank dive. The first dive was on the Heineken wall, and the second dive was on the Ray of Hope wreck. So, hope you enjoy.
keeping your feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
At this time, you start gathering all your personal belongings. Make sure you don't leave them on the boat. Anything you leave on the boat will be in my closet or on eBay tonight. Excellent. 8 o'clock sharp. Awesome. So guys, at the dock, we have hot and cold showers. You can rinse off. Rinse bins for your personal equipment. Also, if you want to get yourself a nice snack, burgers, and beer. Yes, beer. Heineken. Yes, it's right at Shark Bites. And also you can grab yourself a nice souvenir from the gift shop. Also the Stewart Cove stamp. Me and Renee will be on it to sign it if you need it. Your 2 dive sites for the day was Heineken Wall and Ray of Hope. So guys, when you finish later on, you can head on the TripAdvisor. Leave a nice review. You got Renee as your lead diver. Woo! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Your captain Shah. Woo, make it. And Aaron. Hey! Also, tips and gratuities is well appreciated for the crew. Also, I'd like to thank you all again for diving with Stewart Cove. Just give us a few minutes. We're gonna get you back on safely, guys. Give it up for yourselves.